Immigrants make up nearly 17% of the American labor force. But while negative attitudes towards immigrants have been heavily studied, the implications of positive perceptions related to immigrant contributions are still largely unknown. So, how do we measure people's perceptions of immigrants' positive contributions in organizations? By conducting 5 studies on perceived immigrant contribution, or PIC, scholars developed a scale that measures both economic and symbolic immigrant contributions within organizations. Perceived immigrant contribution emphasizes the underlying notion that immigrants have shared common goals with local workers, and that immigrants have long contributed to society. This contrasts heavily with many traditional studies of immigrants, which focus on the immigrant threat perspective and emphasizes potential competition and other threats that people perceive about immigrants. Researchers successfully built a 2-dimensional framework that not only introduces the idea of perceived immigrant contribution, but also allows researchers to study PIC in the U.S. context. As scholars gain additional perspectives and insights into immigrant-directed attitudes and behaviors, they may assist organizations in understanding implications of workplace well-being, treatment, and integration of immigrants. Wonder how perceptions of immigrant contributions can be measured? If so, you may want to read this paper.